couple of things I want to go through before we start doing the unboxing and getting into this little baby here. The first one is one of my viewers contacted me yesterday on the 19th or the 11th 2021 and said to me they're selling this hard drive on Amazon for £239, and I thought, well, that's cheap. Originally it says on there they were selling it for about £407, and I'm sure I actually see it for about £380, something like that. But even so, that is still a big saving. So I said to my wife, you know, you keep asking me what do I want for Christmas, and she went, all right then, you can get one. I said, well, really I need four, because I need four to go in my NAS drive. I have three 10 terabyte drives and one 12 terabyte drive in there at the moment, and four 16 terabytes would be fantastic. She said, you can have one. You can order it now, but you're only getting one. I went, okay, thanks very much. It's a start. Getting in there, isn't it? You know, got one, free to go. Okay. So that is the first thing. So thank you for that viewer for sending me that message. I have sent him a message thanking him, or her, I'm not sure. I think it's he. So big thank you for that. You know, I know it's Black Friday week, and I thought, oh, I better have a look. So I checked and thought, yes, got to get one. So I got it. That turned up today. They got out a new thing as well, Amazon. They send you a code so that when the delivery man turns up, he goes, have you got the code or password or whatever it is? And you show him or tell him what it is, and he goes, yep, that's right, there you go. And I thought, well, it's going to help, isn't it? It's going to try and reduce the amount of thieving going on. It won't stop it completely, but it should reduce it. So what we're going to do in this video, right, is do an unboxing, see exactly what you get for your money, give her a quick test, right, and then once we've done the testing, I'm going to make a second video, and I'm going to go through that in a second. Something to bear in mind, if you're thinking about buying one of these or anything on Amazon, especially this week, please consider using my link for this to buy anything on Amazon, because it does help the channel. I get a little kickback for anything that you buy. It doesn't matter what it is, as long as you go through the link on Amazon and you decide you want to buy this, you want to buy that, I will get a little commission. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it does help me to keep reinvesting back into the channel, because that's where 95% of all this money is actually going. Well, actually at the moment it's about 100% is all going back into the channel to, you know, make more and more videos, because I do need some more cameras. I want to get better cameras. The audio I think is almost there. I just need to sort out the acoustics of the room, everything like that. I'm constantly trying to improve to give you the best experience. And I know I'm going on a bit, but I just wanted to share that little bit with you. So what I'm saying now is, or what we're going to do now is do the unboxing, and then I'm going to make a Christmas special video that will come out on Christmas Day of this, and I'm going to do a shucking. And if you don't know what that is, basically this case, I'm going to break it open. Yeah, literally break it open, and I'm going to remove the hard drive out of that and put it into my NAS. But I need to make sure this works first before I even do that, because if it doesn't work and I've already took it out, they might say, no, you broke it. And it's 16 terabytes and it's £239. So first thing first, if you're thinking about doing what I'm going to do, then make sure you test it first, make sure it's working properly, does everything it's supposed to do. It should be basically plug and play, so you should be able to plug it into your computer and it should recognise it as an external hard drive straight away, no issues. Like I said, so once I've done that, I will make another video, snap her open. I will show you how easy it is to do. It is a little bit scary, but it's quite easy, providing you don't drop it. And then I'm going to stick it into my NAS drive, and my NAS drive will work on it, and I think, seriously, it will take about a week for it to sort it all out and get it up and running properly. Yeah, it will be about a week, trust me. It'll have to run 24/7 for about a week for it to be working properly in my NAS. It's just the way it is, right? Because my NAS drive, or my NAS with my 4 drives, they're about 74% full. So I need to either get a bigger storage, which I can't afford at the moment, or more hard drives, bigger hard drives, which is the way I'm going at the moment. Next year, 2022, hopefully, I'm planning on buying another mass storage, something bigger, yeah, and then filling that hard drives. You know, we're probably talking about 12 or something like that, 12 bay one, maybe even bigger. I've seen the 12 bay and I thought, oh, I like the look of that. So I'm going to shut up now and we're going to do the unboxing. Remember this all-in-one water cooling system from SaharaGaming. I done a review some time ago, and in that review I said I would try and get you some sort of discount. Well, I finally got you one. You can save £20 when you order this water cooling system from SaharaGaming website. £20. All you have to do is, when you go and check out, put the code in that I put in the link in the video description. Put that code in and you will save yourself 20 quid. And that is currently on here, running at the moment, and that is running my Ryzen 5950X, which has 16 cores on it. And I've had no issues whatsoever, touch wood. It's been working fine. If you haven't seen the video, like I said, that video there, I will stick a link in the video description. And there's also a second part of that video as well, in case you want to figure out how to do the wiring. I've also made a little video how to do that as well. So check them videos out if you're interested. If not, go straight to the website, buy this little unit, and you can save yourself 20 smackaroonies. Right, a quick look around the box, because I know how much you love looking around the box. There you go, that's it. I did say quick, didn't I? So instant add-on storage, you know, basically plug and play, yeah? That is it. I'm not showing you anymore. Let's cut her open. Really? 16 terabytes. Woohoo! Humongous! The only thing about this is that I'm not sure about, because I haven't done no researches. On my other ones, they're red drives. Even though I shucked them, yeah, they're basically red drives in a fake body. But this one, 16 terabytes, I've no idea. Get everything out. So we have instructions, we have USB, and we have a power brick. We will need the power brick just to test it. I have several of these. I think I'll actually throw them away eventually. I do like Western Digitals. I have got a Seagate, but my favourites are Western Digitals. Get rid of the rubbish. So this is it. So we have USB, we have power, we have key lock thing, you know what I mean? Yeah. And that's about it really. Got quite a weight to it, and you've got to be delicate with these little things. We have some instructions. I'm not going to read that. Plug. I'm not going to read that. What's this? Oh, it's an adapter. That's a 2-pin adapter. We don't need that. And we have some more instructions. I'm not going to read that. And is this a push-on, push-off thing? I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, we will need that. USB. I don't really. I've got loads of these. I don't really need to get this one out, but we're going to use that as well. So, do you want me to peel this off? Job done. Da, da, da. Very long lead for your power connection. I will have a measure up for you as well, just in case you want to know, okay? Actually, I'll go and have a measure up now. I'll rearrange the cameras, and you can see it starting up. on the computer. Okay. Right, cable lengths. So the USB is approximately 900mm, and the power is about 1.8 meters. In case anyone wanted to know, okay? So let's plug her in, shall we? So it should just connect. So you plug it in as a switch on the bottom there. See that? There's a switch there for power. Now this is not long enough to plug it into my computer, which is over there. So I have a USB here. Oops. Get it around the right way. There you go. So it's now plugged into my PC through my keyboard. But if you're like me and you have one right over there, and I can feel that started up already. And I can see a light flashing inside. Oh, there it goes. I felt that. Oh, I just had my computer pick it up. Now, will it pop up and show me anything, or will I have to go and look for it? I think we're going to have to look for it. Oh no, here it comes. It's on that one. Bring it over here. So we have install Western Digital software for Windows. Right, and Elements K. Now, I know it says it's 16 terabytes, but it won't be 16 terabytes. Trust me. It needs some bits on it for itself. So let's see how big it is first. Properties. Let's have a look. So 14.5. Now, when I put it in my NAS drive, it will get a format, completely formatted. I will do that before I put it in there. But for now, we have Western Digital 14.5. So how much is this? Does it say properties? 652 gigabytes or kilobytes, sorry. Install Western Digital software for Mac or Windows. We're not going to install no software whatsoever, but we just want to know exactly what is the size. Speed, I will stick a... Actually, I'll tell you what we're doing. We'll have a look, see if it actually tells you on Amazon. So Amazon, 16 terabytes, okay? Will it actually say on there? So it's 16, so it's digital storage capacity 16,000 gigabytes. It's a desktop. Yeah, I can feel that vibrating now. So that's working all right. Western Digital Elements, USB, 3.5 inches. That's the standard hard drive. But I'm sure there'll be someone out there so well, how fast does it run? Doesn't say there, does it? Here we go. Where is it? I'm looking. No, but I'm guessing, does it say down here? Right, I just read a message on there. If you want to know how fast it is, tough. Because Western Digital have told people they put different drives in there. So it might be a 7200, might be slower. I'm going for the fact it's slow. It's not going to be a big issue for me because the 4 drives all sync together. They should be running pretty fast anyway. I'm only going to be using it for storing my videos and for getting my videos off to do my editing, and they go back on. So it should be just perfect for what I want it to do. It was easy to set up, like I said it would be anyway. Just plug and play, that's what you to know. Has a little light on the front. Says Western Digital. You can feel when you turn it, you can feel the force. So it might be at 7,200 RPMs, which would be nice. And it has a power on off button now. I haven't touched the power on off. It just came on all by itself as soon as I plugged it in. So that is it, people. Don't forget, if you're thinking about buying anything on Black Friday or anything at any time, if you're going to use the Amazon website or any of my other affiliated links, whether it be something like eBay, Scan, anything like that, please consider using my affiliates. They do help the channel. They allow me to invest more money into making, better videos. And don't forget to look out for this on Christmas when I do my shucking. Yes, I'm definitely going to be shucking it. Even if it's not a red, I will still be putting it into my NAS drive and, you know, hopefully get another 3. Do you think she'll let me? So with that, if you like this little video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. 16 terabytes. Woohoo!